in between the, mainly between the caudate and the putamen.
I see. Put them in internal capsule.
The internal capsule.
But
So you can see here is the hidden caudate.
Insula.
You can sort of see it peeking through. Okay, and then this is internal capsule, and this is putamen here.
So on the exam, are you just going to point to that and then go to this?
This will be number 752. What is this?
I'm not in your way, am I?
No. I don't know what else.
I'm trying to get it so that it's, do them all again.
Yeah, from the radiotic goes up from
I want earthing.
Okay, now we have the nucleus accumbens is bluish here, so we can see it a little differently. What does the nucleus accumbens do? It connects the three. Yeah. Anyone remember nucleus accumbens from the other part of the?
Was that the reward pathway?
Yeah, the reward pathway.
But we're not going to be asked questions like that.
So I'm not going to ask that on the practical.
Okay.
Secondary question.
Yeah, just straight ID.
There aren't secondaries?
Correct, just straight ID.
Okay, here's putamen, nucleus accumbens, caudate, nucleus.
Alright. What do we want to see again?
Everything.
Here we have the caudate nucleus, the amygdala, lateral ventricle, and thalamus.
What's the red?
Amygdala. Yeah, you can see the lateral geniculate right there.
Oh, really?
Here's the lateral ventricles. Here's the thalamus. This is the lateral geniculate, and about here is the medial geniculate. This is the hypothalamus here, and this is the infundibulum, or the pituitary stalk.
What looks like a manatee? The lateral ventricle.
Put it.
Here comes putamen. There's putamen.
What's the pink thing?
Yeah, this is all
In the middle? No, it's nothing but down this like.
Okay, so here in this section you can see the amygdala together with the caudate. So the thin end of the caudate is next to the amygdala.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the claustrum.
It looks like shells.
So claustrum is a nucleus. It's not white matter. Okay, now here we can see this is the fornix. There's actually two parts of the fornix. It bifurcates here. And this is the hippocampus.
Whoa. Suspenseful.
Okay, here we can see the putamen, and inside it was the globus pallidus.
Shows me the purple. That's
And with green also.
Yeah. That's lentiform, right?
What other one should I do?
You want to go for a different section?
Yeah, just going through all of them.
Do we go through all the chapters? How many chapters?
Okay, let's do translucent cerebral cortex. So okay, now this is a different view where you see the translucent cortex covering it. This is the caudate and the amygdala.
Coincidence? I can't not.
So now we
Coincidence?
see
I
the
think yes.
amygdala,
Absolutely.
the hippocampus, and the fornix. So the thicker end of the hippocampus is next to the amygdala. Here's the claustrum again.
Is it gonna have a name before it?
No. Not unless I make a big mistake.
We won't. Everyone makes mistakes.
But it's this footage that you're using? Do we know that for sure?
That means next.
There's a quiz option, maybe.
This is the
Even
thalamus.
if it is all.
Here's the lateral geniculate, medial geniculate. This is all thalamus, and now the part pointing towards you is hypothalamus. Now hypothalamus is on top. Now that's hidden from view. And there it is on the bottom again. And this is the infundibulum of the hypothalamus.
I totally want you to. I get that a lot. Don't you think I know that?
Means putamen and globus pallidus here. Globus pallidus is on the inside. Globus pallidus, putamen.
I've been putting 24 all day. Oops.
Pallidum means just globus pallidus by itself. Okay, so this includes the caudate and the putamen. Okay, and the globus pallidus. No, globus pallidus is not on here, just caudate and putamen. So corpus striatum is the terminology we're using for all three. And for us, striatum means putamen and globus. Caudate and putamen means striatum for us. Okay, here you can see the third ventricle. See how it's right there? And it's got a missing part here where the massa intermedia of the thalamus goes.
It's looking at me.
Massa intermedia. Here's the third ventricle. Here's the fourth ventricle. And here's the lateral ventricle.
So if this picture's on, do we have to like specify which one, or do we say ventricle?
I'll point to it and I'll say, what's this bluish colored thing here?
Okay.
Or whatever color I have it set. Okay, here we have
Ventricles.
the amygdala again.
The forms.
This is the lateral ventricle. Here is the hippocampus. Here is the fornix.
Amygdalas are red.
And here's the fourth ventricle. Here's the lateral ventricle. And here's the cerebral aqueduct here.
Sorry. Sorry. It's really slow.
Okay, what's this part? Hypothalamus. What's this one piece hanging down?
Geniculate.
Lateral geniculate. What's this part here? Thalamus. What's this bluish?
Lateral vent.
Lateral ventricle. What's this part here?
Third, fourth ventricle.
Fourth ventricle.
Ready for this now.
If you could take it all as one big group, you'd be in good shape.
Can we do that? We're a class.
You're a class, you can all find one job, and always be together wherever you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're a team, that's what
We're business partners.
But you see, we try that in class with those visit. Like the people with 1.1.
Oh, that's got the songs and everything.
Okay, so here you can see putamen,
Caudate.
caudate, pons,
Pons.
lateral ventricle, the horn of the lateral ventricle, posterior horn. Okay. Here you can see the fibers of the internal capsule coming up into, up here they're the corona radiata. But if you could see behind here, they would be called internal capsule. Here we have the third ventricle in between the two halves of the thalamus. So this is just thalamus. Here you can see lateral geniculate, medial geniculate. Fourth ventricle, cerebral aqueduct.
What else?
But choose another one. Let's see what we can choose. Just go down.